Up first this evening, in 1 month alone, the former general manager of PETROJAM racked up a phone bill of over $1 million.
Floyd Grindley resigned last year amidst the scandal at the state-run oil entity.
Now, the information about his phone bill was obtained by the Jamaica Gleaner. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has details.
$1,008,099.80, the December 2016 cell phone bill for Floyd Grindley, the former general manager of PETROJAM who resigned under controversial circumstances. The over $1 million phone bill was multiple times that of Winston Watson, who then served as the group general manager of the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. Mr. Watson's phone bill was roughly $21,000. In a statement to the Gleaner this afternoon, PETROJAM said charges in excess of the amount prescribed in the GOJ circular were recovered. The government had set a monthly cap of $40,000 following a 2017 TVJ exclusive which highlighted the huge cell phone bill of some government ministers. PETROJAM indicated that the final payment for Mr. Grindley was overseen by the group internal auditor. It said the board of directors did not participate in the exercise. PETROJAM is yet to provide more answers to questions posed by the Gleaner. For example, the actual amount recovered. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.